I'm Farrah. I'm the owner and the chef for Simply Mediterranean. We're introducing a series of booklets, and today we're going to do a 4-course meal starting with the salad, the Lebanese salad. It's called Fattoush, and I'm going to show you how to make it. All the ingredients and the prep work is going to be in this booklet. We are going to have our dressing ingredients. We have lemon juice, freshly squeezed. We have a spice called sumac. That is, you can buy this at a specialty store or any Arabian store. And of course we have some salt. We have pomegranate molasses, which is again something that can be bought at any specialty store or any Arabian store. Then we have our extra virgin olive oil. With our freshly squeezed lemon. Then we add our sumac to it. We add the salt. The pomegranate molasses, we're going to add about a tablespoon or up to your taste. And then we're going to whisk these together. And as we're whisking this, we're going to add our extra virgin olive oil. And again, it's up to your taste. It's just as much or as little as you want. Whisk it all together really nicely till it's all well incorporated, and that's pretty much it for the dressing. We're going to cover it up and we're going to put it in the refrigerator to cool until we finish the rest of our ingredients. And that's it for the dressing. So for our special Lebanese salad, we are going to start off with chopped lettuce, just romaine lettuce or whatever lettuce of your choice. We have cucumber diced. Also, you know, it can be any kind of cucumber. This is just plain English cucumber. And then tomatoes as well, diced. We also have radishes that are sliced, you know, 3 or 4 radishes. Then we have parsley chopped. You know, you can chop it finely or roughly, doesn't matter. And then we have our chopped mint, also up to your taste. Then we have our diced scallions or green onions. That's it for the ingredients. So we're going to start off with our lettuce. We're going to put it in our salad bowl. Then we're going to add all the ingredients one at a time. So now that we have it nicely mixed with all the dressing, the salad dressing, we're just going to dish it out. And then we're going to top it with some of our toasted pita squares. You can add as little or as much as you want. And voila, that's it. You got yourself Fattoush.